Good morning, this is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a new brokerage listing, a 2018 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. Please note, this boat is off-site up in Fort Pierce, Florida. We'd be happy to show it to you upon appointment. As you can see here, the boat is dry stored up on a lift, fully covered. This is the way the boat is stored when the boat is not in use. This is a beautiful boat in great condition, very low engine hours on the triple Mercury 350 Verados. We have roughly 370 hours and they were just serviced. Overall, the boat's well appointed. As you can see up on the hardtop, we have an open array Garmin radar, FLIR camera, spotlight, and outriggers. Again, this is a custom cover, no snaps required at all, so super easy to put on and take off. We do have engine covers as well. Beautiful boat, light blue hull sides. Windlass anchor up in the bow. This boat does have a couple of custom additions, so we'll step aboard and take you guys through a quick walkthrough of the interior. So we're going to leave the cover on for the quick walkthrough video, but as you can see here in the cockpit, we have a large, spacious area, lots of fishing space. We do have the port side dive door with the ladder that will drop into place, 2 large fish boxes. Aft mechanical area is in great shape, lots of storage and very clean. The boat does have the nice prep station, 2 live wells. We have a live well here in the prep station, also have a port side live well, lots of storage underneath. As we step up to the helm, we do have a custom electronics package, 2 Garmin screens, Mercury vessel view, Mercury joystick, digital throttle and shift, Lenco trim tabs, spotlight, and a great line of sight looking forward. We do have the fold down trolling seats on the port and starboard side, and then a very spacious bow area. So as you can see up here, typically this boat does have bow seating. We did remove this in a professional way so it looks nice, very clean looking, and enhances and maximizes your bow fishing space. We still have the forward lounger for comfort. Again, this is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax. This is just a very quick walkthrough of the 2018 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. We would love to show you this boat in person or tell you a little bit more. Please feel free to click on the link below to view this listing in full, and give me a call directly at 561-635-6811. Thank you guys for watching.